Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class first year, exercise 1.2, question number 9. Show that for all complex numbers z1 and z2. Part 1. Absolute value or modulus of z1, z2 is equal to absolute value of z1 into absolute value of z2. And part second is z1 by z2 absolute value is equal to z1 absolute value divided by z2 absolute value. Now here I will solve part first, then you have to do part second like part first. Let z1 is equal to any complex number. Here I am considering z1 is equal to x1 plus iota y1 and z2 is equal to x2 plus iota y2. Now part 1, prove that or show that absolute value or modulus of z1, z2 is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. First taking left hand side, which is equals to modulus of z1 into z2, where z1 into z2 is equal to, putting value of z1 x1 plus iota y1, then putting value of z2 x2 plus iota y2. Now multiplying x1 into x2, then x1 into iota y2, then iota y1 into x2, then iota y1 into iota y2. We have x1 x2, taking iota common, it will becomes x1 y2 plus x2 y1 whole iota. Here iota square is -1, so it will becomes minus y1 y2. Now taking real parts together, we have x1 x2 minus y1 y2, then writing imaginary part. So left hand side becomes, this is the value of z1 z2, so now we have to take modulus of z1 z2, that is for this value. So it will becomes, how to take modulus of any complex number? Let us consider we have a simple complex number z1 is equals to x1 plus iota y1, then its modulus is x1 square plus y1 square over square root. So here we have x1 x2 minus y1 y2 whole square plus, means real part square plus imaginary part square without iota over square root or whole square root. So now using formula a minus b whole square, we have a square plus b square minus 2a into b. Similarly for second, a plus b whole square, we have a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now this minus 2x1 x2 y1 y2 and also plus 2x1 x2 y1 y2 will be cancel out. Left hand side becomes square root x1 square plus x2 square plus y1 square plus y2 square plus x1 square y2 square plus x2 square y1 square. This is equation number first. Now we will take right hand side, which is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Putting value of z1 and z2, we have modulus of x1 plus iota y1 into modulus of x2 plus iota y2, which is equal to x1 square plus y1 square over square root into square root of x2 square plus y2 square. Now we can write in one single square root, that is x1 square plus y1 square into x2 square plus y2 square. Now multiplying them, we have x1 square x2 square plus x1 square into y2 square plus y1 square into x2 square plus finally y1 square into y2 square. Now you can see equation number first and second means left hand side and right hand side both having same answers, that is x1 square x2 square y1 square y2 square plus x1 square y2 square plus x1 square x2 square y1 square. So from equation first and second, left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is modulus of z1 into z2 is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Similarly, we can do easily by using same complex number, z1 is equals to x1 plus iota y1 and x2 is equals to y2 plus x2 plus y2. z2 equals to x2 plus iota y2. We can solve part second, for which we have to prove z1 divided by z2 whole absolute value is equal to z1 absolute value divided by z2 absolute value. For this part, first we will find z1 by z2, then we will take its modulus, and for right hand side we will take their separate modulus and then we will divide it, both having same answers. Now students, you have to do this part second. Thank you.